Welcome to EPCOT at Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, a place where the magic of human achievement and imagination come to life. If you're planning a visit, here's everything you need to know to make your trip as smooth as possible, starting with some essential details. First, let's talk about the entry fees. As of 2024, a single-day ticket to EPCOT ranges from $109 to $159 for adults. Depending on the time of year and peak periods, children aged 3 to 9 can expect ticket prices between $104 and $154. Remember, these prices are subject to change, so it's always best to check the official Disney World website for the most current rates.
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands on.
Hi!
What? And like instant vehicle. And please watch your children. The sliding door on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children. Your slow-moving journey. Your time machine will. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our plan is to sail through the universe of time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors come up with the next right-hand man, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flat is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilizations. Each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet using a subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The SoFi network that goes with billions of interactions. Once again, we stand...
Attention. Rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. In the future, the city will be a great place to work. Innovative office buildings will be media-rich environments, outfitted with global networking and the latest digital tools to turn your dreams into reality. Need to be somewhere? No problem. Just pack up and go. You'll be able to keep working on a commuter train that runs on magnetic force. Since you do your best thinking alone, you can bring your virtual tools with you and work while you commute, thanks to a personal digital assistant that carries all your files. Who knew that board meetings could be such a blast? Time to relax, but if you live to work, you can keep an eye on your projects with video streaming digital display glasses that bring you messages and news. This just in, looks like it's going to be a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now Siemens invites you to visit Project Tomorrow, an exciting world of new ideas and innovations made possible by Siemens ingenuity. Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Next, Parking. EPCOT offers ample parking for visitors. The standard parking fee is $25 per day for a car or motorcycle. Preferred parking, which gets you closer to the entrance, is available for $45 to $50 per day. If you're staying at a Disney Resort hotel, you can take advantage of the complimentary shuttle services that transport you directly to the park. Getting to EPCOT is convenient, whether you're staying on site or traveling from the surrounding area. If you're driving, the park is located at 200 EPCOT Center Drive, Lake Buena Vista, FL 32830. For those relying on public transportation, the Orlando area offers various options, including buses, ride-sharing services, and the Disney Skyliner, a gondola lift system connecting EPCOT with select Disney resorts and Hollywood studios. Now, let's dive into some fascinating facts about EPCOT that make it such a unique and beloved destination. Did you know that EPCOT stands for Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow? It was envisioned by Walt Disney as a utopian city of the future, where new ideas and technologies could be showcased and tested. EPCOT is divided into two main sections, Future World and World Showcase. Future World focuses on technology and innovation, featuring attractions like Spaceship Earth and Mission Space. World Showcase, on the other hand, is a celebration of international culture, with 11 pavilions representing different countries, each offering authentic food, entertainment, and shopping experiences. Spaceship Earth, the iconic geodesic sphere, is not only the park's visual centerpiece, but also a time-traveling attraction. Inside, guests take a journey through the history of human communication, from the Stone Age to the computer age. EPCOT is home to one of the world's largest aquariums. The Seas with Nemo and Friends Pavilion features a massive 5.7 million gallon saltwater tank that houses over 4,000 sea creatures, including sharks, rays, and sea turtles. EPCOT hosts several annual festivals that draw huge crowds: the International Food and Wine Festival, the Flower and Garden Festival, the Festival of the Arts, and the Festival of the Holidays. Each offer unique experiences, from gourmet dining to stunning floral displays and international holiday traditions. EPCOT is also known for its commitment to sustainability and innovation. The Land Pavilion, for example, features greenhouses where Disney horticulturists grow produce, used in the park's restaurants, using advanced techniques like hydroponics and aquaponics. For an interactive experience, don't miss Test Track, where you can design your own concept car and then take it for a thrilling test drive. Or try the interactive scavenger hunts like the Agent P's World Showcase Adventure, which engage guests with the different pavilions through fun spy-themed missions. End your day with EPCOT's spectacular nighttime shows, while Illuminations, Reflections of Earth was a longtime favorite. The new Harmonious show, introduced in 2021, continues to wow guests with its combination of music, pyrotechnics, and dazzling visuals on the World Showcase Lagoon. EPCOT is more than just a theme park. It's a celebration of human achievement, global culture, and the spirit of innovation. Whether you're exploring the wonders of Future World or taking a cultural journey through the World Showcase, EPCOT offers a unique and